Hello, in this video we'll be showing you how to navigate and search for ebooks in the EBSCOhost Collection resource. Once you've completed the sign-in process, you should find yourself on the following page. To see the overall collection of ebooks that are available for you, simply click on the search button next to the search bar in the middle of the screen. You should now find yourself on a results page like this. You will notice where it mentions search results 1 to 10 of 341. That means there is currently 341 ebooks available for you, covering a range of subjects such as built environment and construction, to digital and graphic design, to early years, to holistic therapies, to fashion and performance art. On the left side of the screen, you will notice that there is a variety of options available to help you refine the results that appear on screen. For example, if you click on the search section, a drop-down menu will appear showing you a variety of subjects along with a number of ebooks are available in relation to that subject. If you click on the Show More button, a pop-up menu will appear on screen showing a number of ebooks that are available in a variety of subjects, ranging from acting to teenagers' mental health. You can arrange these results either by name in alphabetical order or by the number of ebooks that are available in relation to that subject. Once you find an ebook of interest, you just click on the title of the ebook on the results page. So for this example, we'll just use the top result, and then you'll be taken to the following page, where you'll be given a brief description of what that ebook is about, when it was published, and who the author is. If you scroll down the page, you will come across concurrent user level. This will let you know how many copies of this ebook is available to read at one time. So for example, this ebook only has one copy available, meaning only one student can access it at a time. On the left side of the screen, you have two options in which you can read this ebook, either by PDF full text or by EPUB full text. So simply just click on your preference on how you want to read the ebook. On the bottom right of the ebook, you have the options to either minimize or maximize the text, as well as the option to bring it up in full screen. You can also copy the direct link to this ebook by clicking on the permalink option from the menu just above the ebook. So simply just click on that and highlight that URL and either paste it into your email or Word document.